Looking for a precise, reliable tool that prevents over-tightening and protects your bike, car, or engine components? A 3/8-inch click torque wrench in the 5 to 50 foot-pound range is one of the most essential tools for accurate mechanical work. Right away, the key feature is precision. With plus or minus 3% accuracy, this type of torque wrench ensures bolts are tightened exactly to spec, critical for things like spark plugs, engine components, and bike parts where over-tightening can cause damage. The click mechanism makes it extremely easy to use. Once you reach the set torque, it gives a clear, audible and tactile click, telling you to stop. No guessing, no over-tightening. Another big advantage is the 5 to 50 foot-pound range, which hits the sweet spot for most medium-duty tasks. It's perfect for motorcycles, bicycles, and general car maintenance, covering everything from delicate bolts to moderately tight fasteners. The 72-tooth ratchet head adds smoother operation, especially in tight spaces where you need smaller swing angles to work efficiently. Combined with a compact design, it's ideal for garages and DIY setups. You also get a dual scale, foot-pound and NM, making it easy to switch between measurement systems depending on your manual or application. The durable chrome vanadium steel construction adds long-term reliability and resistance to wear. Of course, like any torque wrench, it's best used within its optimal range, not at the extreme low end, and should never be used to loosen bolts to maintain calibration accuracy. Overall, this is a must-have precision tool that balances accuracy, ease of use, and versatility, perfect for anyone doing regular maintenance on bikes, motorcycles, or cars. Click the link below for the best price.